of us can All right, guys, good morning, and we're back at the tail. Okay, so this is Friday now. By the way, I hope everyone's having a great day, because I know I freaking am. And I know everyone out here who's with me is as well. We're at that level of excited. It's the first real day of Wookies today. All right, friends, so this is the top of Hellbender. So you guys have seen in some of the other videos that I've put up where I've done ride-alongs with other of the guys from the group, and that right over there is Hellbender. So the road goes up, 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 all that cool shit. Insert several crests later, and you end up in Deal Gap. So this is Deal Gap. This is like the Dragon Lodge, Deal Gap Motorcycle Resort. Maryville's 35 miles that way, Knoxville's like that way, and there's some shit down there. But this thing, the Tail of the Dragon, Killboy, that guy will sit on a corner. He's the one who has that EG. If you watch the video that I did, DC2 Integra, you actually see the video of Killboy outside the car. His EG's bing. We'll pop a clip in here someplace. There's a lot of really cool art down here. The sights, guys, you just gotta come and experience this. This whole thing is wild. Yeah, they got all the goodies in here. All the goodies.
There you go.
Yeah. Bro, that's so cool. I want to see that come down the road.
Oh, snap.
Yeah. Oh, wow. This is a good, guys, the tail is not meant for semis. Anything bigger than 30 foot, do not bring it down here. Do not. So in 2019, Race 4 crew and I, we all had a house right up this road. So this place is like super dear to our hearts. Yo! Woo! Only place on the tail that sells jet fuel and rocket fuel, just so you know. You cannot get finer products anywhere else on the tail. Yeah. For any of you guys who want to visit the tail, come down here. They raise the water level and they let you come kayaking through here even. It gets wild. Like when the water goes up, man, it's so beautiful, so beautiful. Also, my voice sounds weird. That's just because I'm nasalated. It's high mountain air.
Partying too much.
Yes, lots of campfire smoke has been inhaled by accident, and
yeah, that campfire gets a little
smoke.
yeah, campfire smoke.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Campfire smoke.
Oh.
That was the
Dude, those are good fires you make. Hey, this man brought some excellent wood. Moving on. Can you say hi, John?
Hi, John.
Hi, John. He's so cute. Give me 5.
Hi, John.
Give me some nuts. Pound it. Give me some skin. Yeah. Elbow. Yeah. All right, rocket fuel it is. Drink, drink, drink. Fuel ain't cheap up here, I'm just saying. Good morning, guys. All right, it is Saturday, and I'm screaming at the top of my lungs. I apologize. Oh, fudgers.
Fred's excited. Doggo Fred's excited to go for a ride.
Hey, Fred, come here, boy. Come here, boy. Good morning, guys. All right, it is Saturday. What is Wookiees Day 2? I ripped my jacket driving too hard. My beautiful RwdyAudi one.
17th.
17th?
Yeah.
It's the 17th.
Yeah, we're gonna eat some awesome peach cobbler for brunch this morning.
Bro, thanks for going and getting that. Coming in clutch.
I'm trying to get hyped for this afternoon when the sun's gonna come out. We're cleaning up. We're making sure that we are legit ready to go, so we're not stressed out in the morning. We're trying to enjoy the day.
Yeah.
We're gonna go cruise. I might whip the van up to the village for some billboard status.
Bro.
Just see what's going on. I have the stickies on the biscuits, so I'm not trying to go in the wet.
Yeah.
You know.
So that's like saucy mode. Sauce
Hot
mode.
biscuit.
Hot biscuit.
Hot biscuit.
How's your puzzle, sir?
It hasn't fallen down again yet. I think it's fully together.
Can you show it to me?
Sure. It's right around here.
Do we have all of our
On the
dishes
other side
on
of
it?
this beautiful S4 Race 4 vehicle.
This is the RwdyAudi tow rig. Wow, look at that.
It is still hanging. I think we used 2 carabiners. But yeah, 2 carabiners in the whole job, but she's all done.
That's fantastic.
Good luck taking it apart.
It's just gotta dry. That's all it is. It's just gotta dry. That's so great. That is so great. I love it. Good shit.
Oh yeah.
Stick bit or not stick bit up there?
Hey, you gotta eat it in one bite.
Look, I'm gonna show you.
Dude, that's a straight chode.
Look, this is how the monkeys eat bananas. They pinch the end and they peel it, and then they have a stick as a stem to hold. They have a handle.
Ah.
I'm sorry, what?
You're not supposed to eat the little stem in the bottom.
He's dead. I gotta get a sketch rating here, all right? I'm kind of on the border. I want to change my tire, but I don't want it. Steve, level of sketch. Should I change them?
I would give it a, you're not gonna die, but you could. Level of sketch rating on this.
There's an app to purchase that too, right there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Insert s4racewars.com. Wait a minute, .net?
This is a sweet graphic though.
Check the link in the description below.
Plug. You can also find a link in the description below.
Click like, subscribe.
For the Rowdy Audis.
You gotta lay these out.
Oh, he's gonna fan them out for us.
And Wookies in the Woods products, courtesy of WookiesInTheWoods.com and RwdyAudi. There you go.
Oh.
Yep. So on this upload, this guy and I are going to review Wookies in the Woods 21
Parking lot.
lot.
Let's walk up this way and then make our way down the hill.
All right, let's do it. I forgot there was a field full of cars down here. You want to go look around?
Yeah,
Let's go look.
out the field.
Squad, 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 squad. Hip, hip, hip. Here we are. Here we are. Here we are. What? 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 Yup. 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 That thing is, yeah. Yo, is that a GSR? Yeah, that's a GSR. Oh, crap. We should have opened the cans.
Cider.
I thought they were pull tab.
And cut.
Cut. All right, so for all those safety freaks and ones who like to recycle their metal cans, some super cool can opener. You guys can get one of these from Bed Bath & Beyond.
Link in the description below.
Yeah, I'll just put an eBay affiliate link in the description below. These things cut the outer lip off.
Be sure to check the Beyond section first.
All right, so the recipe says, pour contents of can into oven, spread dry cake mix evenly. Just like that. Lid included, yo.
Some of that extra iron.
Lid included, yeah.
2 of these. Spread the dry cake mix evenly across your peaches. Like so.
Are you sure you know what you're doing? Watch out for those extra bugs. Oh,
That's flavor.
It got out. It got out.
the fucking prize, Richard. watch that light. That's what's attractive.
Yo. Sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon for flavor.
A little bit.
A little bit. A little bit of cinnamon. There we go.
Cinnamon in there.
And
It helps with the flavor.
you put the lotion on the
It puts the lotion on the skin. We're still rolling.
Yeah, we're going. Okay, so now you want to take your butter and you want to cut about 4 to 6 equal squares and just put them on the top. You know, this is one of those more the merrier things. I'm a butter guy, so I'm gonna probably put 6 in there. So here we go.
Are you properly
How big are these squares?
No, we are not.
A third of a tablespoon each square?
Yo, it's about 4/4 stacked high.
All right.
So about $1 thickness.
Yo, $1 is 6 inches.
So about 8 millimeters.
There we go.
I'm telling you.
Oh, that's a sharp knife, yo.
Measure.
Briquettes, chart. All right, so now we just put this sucker on there.
Cameraman's gonna die of smoke inhalation.
All right, yeah. So just put your lid on, and so now just stick your lid down on there and wait for 45 minutes. So grab your trusty technological device, and well, not gallery. We want to use our
Don't let him see that one.
Yo, don't tell his picture.
Oh, there we go. Okay.
We'll check out the crew here.
All right, here we go.
While he
here
goes
we
to
go.
his phone.
All right, we're
Here's
back.
the timer.
Set the
timer's
timer.
going.
45 minutes on the clock, and we'll be back to check it. Oh, I can't see right now.
Yeah, me neither.
All right, squeeze it up in there nicely. Get it. You gotta get it underneath there. There you
There's
go.
all the friends, mommy. There's all the friends.
Oh yeah. We're gonna give it 10 more.
Not even 10.
4.5, bro.
4.5 more. 4.5 more, and we're
going
getting.
4.5 more minutes cooking
Yep.
right here.
All right, 4.5 is the consensus.
Well,
Gordon
Jack,
Ramsay. What do you
Looks
think?
like you survived not getting kicked in the nuts.
It smells
How bad it was
amazing.
steaming. It's like, all right.
What are you doing, son? Is it good? Don't touch that big rock. It's hot, okay?
I wanna go at it. I wanna go at it so bad.
Yeah, you realize I've been waiting with the spoon just floating a bunch of times. A while now, right?
Like solid boiling water.
They're totally worth it though. Totally worth it. How do you get in here?
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the channel. It's the last day of Race Wars. Wrong event. Take 2? Take 2. Take 3. Take 4. Take 420. It is the last day of race crap. It is the last day of Wookies in the Woods, guys, and we are cleaning up our, we're doing our due diligence. You got to clean up a campsite. You still got to do our policing, low impact life over here at the Race Wars RwdyAudi family, We don't want Mother Nature feeling tired because we left her in a miserable condition. So, yeah, we're just getting all cleaned up. And we got to go pick up the broken out RwdyAudi. So, I think I've got 7 neutrals now, so that, yeah, it kind of shitty. It is what it is, but I always wanted to rebuild an Audi transmission, so now's my opportunity.
But apparently someone did some modifying last night.
Yeah. Somebody modified it, like he was saying, and it's been bedazzled. So we're gonna get this loaded up, and I'll turn the camera back on, and I'll show you guys what happened.
So is that the police force here to write you tickets for doing donuts?
Oh, girl.
None of us can
So somebody at some point in time, Steve and I seen this last night. I had a roll of aluminum foil. I went up to the beer swap. We gave our good, whoa, what's that?
The sound of our people!
The sound of our people!
I want the hot biscuit.
Yeah, unload the race car. Lotus!
Lotus!
We need the Lotus!
Pull it back on the trailer.
We need LOL. LOL HQ.
Let's get this freaking thing on.
Okay, so.
Let's get on the road.
All right, yeah, we're hungry, y'all. Let's get this shit done. Terrible. So anybody wants to know how? All right, well, update time. So we ended up having to get a tire after all. We put some stuff in it, and it just, yeah, it gooed out the side. Yeah, that's the deal. So it's like 6 o'clock here in Andrew, and for now, we're just gonna get this done, get it on the car, and get the freak out of this state and get home. You know, I love this state. I will definitely come back for many years to come, but you know what? For now, I'm ready to get Audi. So let's get it done.